is time to finish this bookshelf. All right, guys, it is the next day, and it is time to finish this bookshelf so then we can start attaching and building out this island so then we can get the countertops in. So, you know, it's coming along. So today we are going just to face frame out our bookshelf. We're going to do it the exact same way we did the refrigerator behind us. We're just using the 1x2 wood, and we are going to cut it to size and we will glue it into place. The only place that this is not going to go is down here at the bottom. The baseboard, or this bottom part, is going to be covered with the baseboard because that baseboard is going to go all around the island here. So all we have to do is side, top, and side, and then on this board here, we're going to just do that flat molding for our bookshelves here. It's pretty sturdy for some books here in the future, in the cookbooks in the future. So that's all we got to do to finish our bookshelf up. Off camera, I did stain the back of this. I used Fusion cappuccino stain and oil mix. Every wood takes that stain a little bit differently. So it's the same stain that I used on the sink drip, that drip ledge, and then on the window ledge. We redid the window ledge off camera, and we just a piece of oak, we cut it down to size, we sanded it, and then I stained it the same color. So it's this color here. It matches the wood floor really good. But then that's all we have to do. The bottom part, like I said, down here is going to be covered by baseboard. So we just need to attach this and do our face frame to make this nice and sturdy. And then we will be done with this project, and we can head to the next project, which will be putting the whole island together. Okay, now that we have all our side pieces cut, now let's attach the back, and then we'll flip it around and we'll do the front. update. Bring you over here. So I was thinking, if I just did the top and the sides and then the baseboard, there's going to be a little lip here. Do you see it right here? So so what I'm thinking is I am going to go and do a bottom piece here as well, so I can do a true face frame. And then I'm going to put a block here so that when Joe goes to do the baseboard, he can go on top of it like so. So it'll be flushed. I just need to put a block every so often so he can put the baseboard on. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I cut the bottom piece already so we could have a good base frame.
You want my powers, I will show you where they go. You like the wind, I'll tell you where it goes. Clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go, yeah. You need my energy, I'll show you where to go. You want the rivers, let me show you where they flow. Clean as you go, clean as you go, clean as you go. You want the highest building in your town. Where's my trees? I don't see them around here no more. You wanna go to Mars, but the soil is full of mercury. Keep my water clean, free from PVC. How many pieces of plastic in the Tennessee River? I hope this makes you see things clearer.
You know, one time I was afraid to make furniture because I didn't think that it would be good enough as store-bought, but as I start to assemble all the store-bought furniture, I realized that it's a lot of just locking nuts and bolts and stuff. It's not really put together really a great way. So, fear no more. Okay, so here is what I was talking about, how if I put the baseboard here, we would have a little lip. Does that look bad? Or would it look better like that? I think it just would look better on top. So I did cut down some of these little blocks right here. You can put right here on the corner, and then the middle, and then the other corner over there. I think that is what we're going to do. So let's attach that, and then this, when we go to put the baseboards, will go right on top. That would look very professional. So let's add our little blocks, and then I'll show you the whole finished piece. Are you ready to see what it looks like? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. There we go. Here, let's move this chair out of the way. There we go. Sorry, that was probably really, really loud. Look what I made. Look what I made. I want to tell you guys, I'm getting better. I'm getting better at making stuff, and it's a good feeling. It really is. One little minor change I'm going to do, probably off camera, guys, is this shelf that we cut. I think what I want to do is cut it down a little bit and add a piece of board to go right across it. It'll just make it a little bit stronger, I think. If I'm going to have like a couple of cookbooks on there, I just don't want it to bow over time, which can happen with wood because wood will kind of form certain shapes and it can bow. So I just want to straighten this shelf. So when Joe gets home, I'll have him just cut that down a little bit so then I can add a piece of wood to the front of it just to give it some stability, I think. But I'm going to call this project done because that is just a minor thing. We made our shelf adjustable so we can adjust our shelf up or down. Heck, if we want to, we could cut another piece and have one shelf here and then another shelf here. You know, it'd be a smaller shelf. I can always put more holes here if we want, you know, to utilize this as 2 more shelves. But I'm just over the moon, guys. I am just over the moon that I made this, and he agrees. You know, I knew he'd be walking on it, and I knew this is going to be holding up a countertop, but I did this, and you can do it too. So just take those measurements that I made, and you guys can make a little bookshelf too if you want. It wasn't that hard. But if you like this kind of thing, if this is your jam, feel free to subscribe. It does help the channel out. It helps grow so others can be empowered to make things and, you know, to conquer their fears, just empowerment that you can do it, knowing that you can do it, changing the inner voice in our head to yeah, I can do this. If this is your jam, go ahead and hit subscribe. Share it to somebody who would want to make a bookshelf. Hey. Anyway, I will see you in the next video where we will put all of this together into an island.